Hi. Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live, already knee deep in. It's hard to, like, what's up, Stanford? When I only traded the open, I could come in an hour before, do my DD, and then, I'd be chilling. Then I set the stream up, and then we'll start, and then the bell rings. But trading pre-market, it's like as soon as you sit down, there's trades to be made. Uh, it's been a while. Had some really great trades, and then I've had a lot of kind of bored sitting here trades. Wow, I just totally missed ARVN right there. Hmm. But super happy to be back on the platform here. Hotkeys and such. OLMA is killing me right now. And another thing that's been hurting me also is not having stops, not having live stops. And I mean, kind of the same thing in Trading View, but it's just a little different. Yeah, I've had a few wins, but I've had some losses that were like that just completely got away from me. And yeah, like I had OLMA pre-market, which was super cool. I thought I got a huge leg, and then I sold out, and then it ran up again. But I only had like a really small position, so it wasn't really doing what I wanted it to do. Um, yeah, but then I took a bigger position size later, and it hit me pretty hard. The spreads were pretty wide on this thing, so it should have been a lot better than this. No trades yet. Yeah, I kind of missed that. Pretty much. Um, but I need to stop trading so many things in pre-market without being able to have a live stop loss. That's why my losses are so big. I'm not I'm not able to control my risk as well. Kind of want to buy that right there. Sell volume seems to be kind of strong though. Man, it came all the way in. I should have got a sell off up here. I was trying to wait for this high. We're gonna turn this day around. Watch. First thing I need to do. I think I've drawn any levels. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. What's going on? Man, I want to buy. Should have bought it. It'd be that moment where I'm scared to do it. Just do it. Feel the same thing right here too, but this feels scary. So I'm gonna chill. Dang, that looks better now. Hmm. Ah, man, that's bad. That's bad. Well, yeah, that's like 40 cent. Well, good thing is share size is for me, so now my risk is just super wide. Dang, that's crazy. But in perspective, it's not that crazy. Really? 15-second chart. I've wanted to spend a session watching a chart like that to see what that's like. I've never really seen price action on that micro of a level before. That might have been the move right there. We got a nice position on KNF though. That thing can squeeze. We'll flip the day around real quick like that. This is ridiculous though, pre-market to have this many positions. I gotta figure that out. I definitely gotta figure that out. I'm definitely expecting this to go red after that entry that I just had. I was trying to get in right above here, but looked down and put my finger on the hotkey, pushed it, looked up. It was up, it was up like 50 cents. I updated my Mac last night too, so I'm curious to see if that helps with all the screen freezing. Seems like it hasn't frozen this whole time. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? Getting smashed right now. It was all greens a while ago, man. uh, this crazy trade on OLMA, this crazy trade, and this one's still in my first trade. And then this was a cool trade on CANF, and then I just kind of gave that all back. I don't know what the heck this was. I guess I forgot since I didn't draw my support line that I was playing this higher low off of this support level. And so taking trades over here, it makes absolutely no sense if support is down here. Yeah. So actually going to go ahead and draw that now.
Order filled.
Added a CanF right there. I think she's ready to go. That wicked witch. Wicked witch of the stock market. Come on with it. Come on with it. Got 8 minutes till market open. Got CanF going. ARVN looking cool. Oh, LMA looking cool. We might be all right, y'all. Oh, look at CanF, bro. We cooking right now. If we can get back up to some highs, bro. I might have to take off a significant amount of the position. Come on. Volume ain't even came in yet. You can do it. Oh, snaps. Oh, never mind. Almost going now, though. Thankfully. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get on up. Get on the scene. I would definitely say this level is one to sell. 28.33. Only got 8 of them. Pull in there. CANF. Oh, ARVN. You think so? What up, Trey? You're getting some motion over here. We'll take that.
Order filled.
We shall take that. I'll show you in a second. I was, bro. I was hella cruising, bro. This right here happened. My initial entry was based on this line here, this yellow line here, and then after that, I'm just forgot all about support and just start this bad trade, this bad trade. I'm not mad at myself for that one. But yeah, stuff like that. And they were big losers because I don't have a stop loss. You know, it's just a series of unfortunate events. Dang, bro. CANF disappeared expeditiously. So did ARVN. 4 minutes till the open. Put some, try to put some logical stops in here. Things ain't looking good for CANF for sure. Bro, I was up 2-0 on this thing. Looking like, yeah, no doubt. What up, T-Lo? We got motion though. Boy, this my dark horse right here, Trey. Super low volume. This is my focus play, but he told me about it way back here, and then it popped, and then I bought it. Buck hold on ONFO. Come on, baby. Nah, I feel like this is the high to break. You can do it. Oh, we heating up everywhere now. Oh, we heating up. Come on, Olma. Olma, you can do it. Ain't nothing. ARVN is getting cried. ARVN, what's happening? What's happening? Of course, a stop loss don't work. Hey, almost there. Let's almost had it. Ooh, wait. What do I do here? Leave a little on. Stop. All right, let's see what we can do here. Bruh, craziness, bro. Olympic dumpster diving. Nah, I told you this is my focus play. This is focus play. Go ahead with your bad self. Oh, snaps. You got numbers. Your platform 1 minute late. Is that how far my time is behind yours? Oh, snaps. Come on. Come on, CANF. Come on with it. Dang, stopped out of ARVN. I know I was already out of that. Alma got thrashed. It's open as shade key. I should have took that profit while it was there. Oh man. Good lord. Man, I thought we was finna do something, y'all. Okay. But wait, there's more. I'm looking for this high right here, bro. I'm looking for 62. We could settle out of court right now for 61. Come on, 62. Come on, 62.
Order filled.
All right, so half right there. Nah, we're gonna be all right. Just still got a few bad habits I'm filtering out as I make my segue to buying at support. Nobody's buying this thing at all. This is just my demo account right now, bro. I'm planning to fund my account for December, God willing. Man, that thing bounced off 50 pretty hard. All right, Trey, what we got? What's up, OG? Yeah. Off the 50s, off my support level, man. But yeah. Hockey. First day back with hotkeys. I can't handle it. What's up, Leon? I need some other stuff to look at, man.
OLMA GXX BTQ.
Nah, I'm still in the demo, but I'm just back on my platform. Oh yeah, doing that again. Ah, gotta get them subs up, them students up. That's funny. Oh yeah. Probably does that on purpose. I thought he was sued for him giving people, I don't know, I guess the false impression of what their results would be like taking his class or something. What time is it? 40. Yeah. I should have got on. What's up, Nova? I should have got on stream earlier. That would have helped me take it more serious. I'm gonna start cracking the stream before I get situated. Man, what's going on, Nova? How you been? We about to bring it all back with Can F. Can F to 70. And game over. Counting on you, Billy. Yeah, get on in there, Billy. Ah, Billy. Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, I've been paper trading probably the last month or so now, just trying to slow things down a bit. It's been really great. I've come to a place where I'm trying to take all my trades at support, at like high volume support, like from the daily and hourly charts. There we go. Um, oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it's been the trades I take off support have been really good, and then the ones that don't work off support, I feel okay about. I'm like, hey, That was a very reasonable trade right there, you know. But like these trades right here, I'm disappointed in. This trade, okay, we just bounced off support. This is the first pullback from support, so cool. But this one, like, what are we doing, man? Almost makes me want to take out VWAP. I think that might have influenced that decision. Yeah, I know, bro. That's how I feel this morning. Like, it ain't nothing going on. Yeah, so I updated my Mac last night, and I think that was the issue because it seems like the screen either that was the issue or trading view was the issue, but we haven't had any screen freezes today. AMIX, what happened, bro? I don't even want this thing. Why? Why? Yeah, yeah. It seems like that time of the market where it's just like wild, wild moves. Is there nothing even close for OLMA? Wow, G. Do you even day trade anymore, bro? um, hmm, maybe this level right here. Where's my crosshairs at, bro? Hmm. That might be interesting down there at 1980. This actually looks like a better level right here. Maybe even here, that might be it right there, actually. But that's based on pre-market. Hmm. Yeah, that's super solid, OG. That's how it's supposed to be, man. Dang. I got like 20 trades.
Order filled.
Yeah, remember hearing GLMD a lot on the scanner. Looks kind of flatline-ish. Nah, that's talk about it in a segundo. Oh man, I just heard the trash. I know my son ain't take the trash out, bro. I know he ain't take it out. Let's go, man. I need them 70s. I think on principle we gotta sell through 62 though. If we can get there. Got a lot of shares sitting at 60. Nah, that's my support dip though, Trey. That 50 level I've been playing off of. That's the level I bought this bounce off of. Which would have been cold to buy these two bounces. But then I got it again right here, splat out, and then back down here. Hopefully I don't regret this ad right here, but it's looking a bit sketchy, I must say. I'm liking the higher time frames for sure. Except the 5. Right there again and really get after it.
Order filled.
What up? Santa, what's going on, man? Oh yeah, I'm paying for that one. Yeah, that was so Billy. That was so Billy. Damn near high day breakout. Yeah. Billy's back. We gotta go, man. We going to average is hella high now though. I know, right? Shorted NQ. Immediately. Let's go. I think we good, Trey. I think the read is good. Morning knives. Ah, man. I know I disappointed you today. Don't look. It's still paper money. It's still paper money. I actually had some pretty good trades today too, but I kept taking trades away from support, and so I would take equal amount of bad trades, and I think I lost more on the bad trades than I won on the good trades. So no stops in pre-market, stuff like that. So yeah, I got to the pre-market part of things has to be very different without live stops. And I can't be trading. Like I was in like 4 positions at one time. But I am trying to get reps, but I want my reps to be, yeah, no doubt, the executions for sure. Yeah, this would have been a better place to add if I wanted to add right here. But stop has been managed appropriately. And well, it's gonna suck if this thing dies because I don't think there's anything else. This is the only hope right here. This is the only hope from right here. Either we get a new high or it's over. The day's over. So might as well add, right? Yeah, for sure. Uh, well, this definitely ain't that. This is trying to make something out of nothing right now. And that's the end of that. Yeah, we're gonna do that right quick. So CANF. First trade was cool. Um, hmm. I think adding on the way up is cool, but adding after like the pullback without being at a level of support, just like adding in the range somewhere on the backside, like this one right here, this ad, we gotta kill that. Like fresh off support, adding on the pullbacks, cool. But like once we break the uptrend and like now I'm looking for the reversal, like that has to happen back at support again. So I would say that's one thing. One thing I would take from this. And front side support. Back. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. Because this is the only level I got on CANF. And I mean, look, there's some great trades on it. That one, which if you're waiting for confirmation would be here. Doesn't give very good RR buying it off the level though. Nice hammer time, man. But this was great. This was really nice. But yeah, so this is what I'm talking about as far as the backside there and there away from support. And then because like when you buy up here, now your stop has to be above support. And when it comes down and tests support, it's just like, of course it came back to support. So you wait for support and then now you can start building again. 120 points. Wow, that thing is falling. I see it. Um, What's up, Frank? Yeah, it's pretty thin day for sure. So this was a really cool exercise though. I mean, and just looking at obvious support was obvious resistance was 60 and obvious support was 50, and it was just bouncing back and forth, man. And if you just kept all your buys down here by support and just sold at the top, like too easy, AMIX. This was just kind of a focus play. I'm probably not gonna continue to do this because it just doesn't make sense to me. Um, um, I haven't funded my account since the last time I drained all my money, which was like October, I think. But I'm planning to fund my account in December, and so in the meantime, I was using TradingView to paper trade, but it sucks. And so I asked my broker, "Can I just use the demo until I fund my account next month?" And he was like, "Sure." So now I'm back on my DOS platform using the demo side. Um, yeah. ARVN. This is one that I just kind of grabbed off the scanner, and I was like, let me see if I can play this momentum. And kind of found me a little. I think that was just off the hourly, like an hourly high. And yeah, so pulled up, got the little pullback, fresh momentum, bought the next candle to make a new high off of my proposed support, and sold into the spikes, man. This was a really fun trade. And I got all the way out here at break even on my last little, I don't know, third or eighth or whatever I had left after these two sales. And then I added back right here, which I mean, yeah, this is adding back after this big old move right here. That's silly. That's really far from support. It didn't go very high. And then trying it. No, I think what happened here is I accidentally flipped short and I had to buy out. Um, and then, I mean, there's no volume at this point of the trade. So that was pretty loserific. Yeah, and then got back in, sold up there. That was a good sell, and then pretty big stop out there. So yeah. I would only choose specific patterns to trade in zones and not just saying trading in the level. Hmm. Well, I mean, I'm happy to take it at a lower price as long as it's back at the level that I've drawn as support. I just don't want to take it in the middle of the range. Like if I've deemed this level right here as support, and I mean, that I want my buys as close to this level as possible, and my sales, up here by what I would consider resistance based on these highs right here. Um, and so just on the backside, like after I've taken profit, yeah, I dig you on that. Like I don't want to take after you've taken profit, no more buys until I would say for me, my rule would be like you said at a lower price. My phrase would be until back at support. So once I've taken profit up here, I wouldn't buy again until we're back down here at support, which like this buy right here was great, and selling back up into here. Um, yeah, yeah. So yeah, okay. So that was a good example of that. AMIX. I said I'm not trading those plays anymore. This was a momentum play off the scanner, which was cool, but I still needed to not play it back till it got back down to support. And even then, there was just no volume here. But I did get another win out of it, and then a nasty loss. Well, I draw my support based on the daily chart. So based on previous high volume highs and lows on the daily, and then most on for the recent highs and lows, I'll use the hourly. And so, and it just works. Like if you draw those levels and look at how the price action is just playing out pre-market, most of the time you'll see that when it interacts with those levels, those are where your buy and sell opportunities are. Yeah, that's it, Trey. That's literally it. That's literally it. And I'm still a bit too much of a free spirit, and I just kind of I gotta reel it in a little more, and just the problem is, like, for example, after I took this, what was it? Oma. After this huge Oma trade, right? Now I'm pumped. And then not only that, this leg goes and then I don't catch that. So now I'm like, I'm really looking for my next trade when I should just be chilling. Like that may be the only trade of the day, you know, but I'm so anxious for the next trade that I can't wait for this level, you know. And plus today there wasn't really obvious things right off, you know, when I sat down. So it was like you never really felt like you filled your watch list up with, you know, the three that you were gonna watch. So I was still kind of constantly combing at the time too. That's another kind of downfall of pre-market, because like when you're waiting, you know, you get the whole pre-market to judge if there's anything worth trading at the open. But like when you sit down in pre-market, it's like you're still in the time, you know. Why'd I sell so early, bro? I thought I thought I did the thing, bro. On Oma, bro, I got in at 26 and got out at 30 something at the top. I was like, yeah, bro. You know, then it pulled back. It just because it went up so fast. When it goes up that fast, I assume that it's gonna come back down as fast too. But yeah, man. And then I sold most of my position actually in this first sale, and I didn't really have much left for these two, so it wasn't really yeah, assumptions. Yeah, easy way to make an ass out of yourself. But I mean, this whole game is assumptions, isn't it? GLMD's looking interessante right there off of this little guy right there. Look at there. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, I know what they say, Frank. All right, y'all, but I gotta run. Um, yeah. So okay, anything else that I needed to get? So adding only on the front side from support, no adding on the back side. Um, just buy support, bro. Just buy support, bro. Even if I just like, if all my trades were at support, like all my losses were at support, that would be like, it would be cool. Like I'm almost moving away. Nah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I just need to focus at buying support. I mean, the volume it tells me a lot, and I think I can get in where I want to. I'm so used to waiting for so much confirmation before I jump in. Um, yeah, and I have that. Those specific patterns are supposed to be a higher low or a double bottom. So yeah, I haven't been Always sticking to that. Boy, GLMD was, well, look at that, man. See that support? Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Look, it's weekly support. Look at that, boy. That's a level. Yeah. Now, if I was watching this and had this level up already, yeah, that would have been oh the sweetest RR. But you had to snatch it off, boy. But I mean, you talking about like 5, 6 R from there. This is what a 1 penny stop. I guess two, but yeah. All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here. Thanks for hanging out. I'm excited. I'm still excited. Got to see some good trades today and got to see some mistakes that I understand, and I think I can avoid those in the future. Just kind of making things more clear. Still kind of adjusting to a lot at the same time. But we're gonna be ready for December, man. We're gonna be ready, God willing. All right, man. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description, and be easy. Peace.